Hi, it's Hard Reset and today I'll show you how to fix speaker not working on Honor Magic V5. So, first, check the volume level. You can do that in Settings, then Sounds and Vibration, and right here make sure that it is not muted, any of this volume buttons, and that your right tone isn't on silent mode. Then, on the bottom of your phone there's a speaker, and on the top also. You need to clean it with a soft brush or compressed air. Then disable the Bluetooth, because you might be connected to, for example, a speaker or a headphones. And that's it. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.